All right, so here's your Patreon exclusive video of how to make some crab cakes. I just figured out how to do it. First things first, I'm gonna need some gloves. I don't like those gloves. I'm gonna get some different gloves. Where are the good gloves? Here we go. All right, get on some gloves. You don't have to wear gloves, but I like wearing gloves. I've already chopped up stuff that we need to chop up. First things first, I forgot an egg. All right. Also, preheat the oven to like 450, 460. First things first, you're gonna need an egg. Crack the egg. All right. Then we're gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise. And I go with Duke's. It's seriously the best. It's just what I do. Should I use a knife? I'll just use a knife. Actually, no, because I'm gonna need probably around, like, let's say 3 tablespoons. Yeah, 3 tablespoons. And I'll mix with this one. 3 tablespoons of mayo and 1 egg. Then you're gonna add, let's go like a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Maybe a teaspoon and a half. Close that up. Put that aside. Worcestershire sauce. Gotta have the Worcestershire sauce. Put that in there. Oh, don't do that. This is gonna be, let's do like a teaspoon of that. Yeah, let's do a teaspoon of that. A little bit of salt. Just a dash. Very simple. Key. It's gonna be Old Bay seasoning. That's key right there. Add a bit of that. Honestly, teaspoon. You can go teaspoon and a half if you want to spice it up a little more. And the main thing, actually no, we're not going to do that yet. We're not going to do that yet. We're going to add nothing. We're just going to mix it up. Mix all that up. Get it all saucy. Smells good already. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add, I'd say like 1/3 of a cup of crushed saltine crackers. So, and remember, I preheated the oven to around 450, 460, depending on the oven. Mine sucks, so I put it on 460. Grab all the rest of these. I don't want to waste them all. These are like almost stale too, which is not an issue. I'll throw the rest away. All right, now that we got that, let's incorporate that. I want this to soften up. You know what I mean? So they say like let it sit for half hour, even up to a day. Nah. I just get it looking like that. Get it looking like that, soften it up. I just beat the shit out of it. Yep. Keep beating the crap out of it. Get it all soft, I think I have all the ingredients in except for about a tablespoon of green onion right there. Tablespoon of that, maybe a little more, doesn't matter. Another tablespoon of chopped parsley, fresh. You can use less than fresh, meaning dried, but I like to use fresh shit in my stuff. All right, so let that sit for a little bit and we're gonna talk about crab meat. All right, so you can buy really expensive crab meat or you can buy really cheap crab meat. You can buy middle of the road crab meat. This is middle of the road crab meat right here. It's just from Kroger. It's in a thing, plastic container, but it's got a lid on it right there. So when I'm ready, I'll pop that open and then put it in there. But this is what it should be looking like right now. And we want to get it soft. And it's gonna be runny when you form them. You don't form them like patties. You form them almost just like globs. But keep in mind there's egg there, so it's gonna harden up. And there's a little bit of liquid in here, but there's really no need to take any of it out. I mean, sometimes I guess I could like try and get a little bit out, but it's really not doing anything. So take all that. This is white crab meat. You can do claw meat, but this is just like that special white crab meat right there. Let's plop that in there. Now this part is important. Keep in mind, right over here, I have a silicone lined baking dish. You don't have to use silicone. You can use butter and just put butter all over it and then plop your stuff on there. You could use parchment paper and just plop your stuff on there. But I like the silicone mat because I have it and I can use it and I'm gonna. But here's the important part. Don't mush your crab meat. Keep it lumpy. Keep it lumpy. Just fold it together. Fold and fold. Ooh, yep. It's getting wet and soggy. Here we go. Like how I said that. All right. Go into incorporation mode. Now, I will let this sit for like a minute, maybe, if I wanted to. But seeing as how I'm going to form them and let them sit. Now, I might be mixing way too much right now. See, I got it clumpy still. Still some clumps in there. And it's wet. It's still wet. All right. But let's form some of these right here. I'm gonna probably get, typically I've been getting 7 out of these. But let's see what I can do. So, I don't even form them. I just go plop. There's 1. All right. There's 2. There's 3. That one was a little small. That one was too big. 4. 5. Let's do 5. 6 and 7. Split the last 2 so they're equal. 6 and 7. There they are. So simple. So easy. It's a freaking crab cake. You know, if you go to a restaurant, do you know how much this is gonna cost you? Like 30 bucks. How much did it cost us? If you have Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, and all the other stuff, go buy your crab meat for, what did we spend, Yoko? Like 10, 12 bucks? 12 bucks. Half a pound, 8 ounces. 8 ounces of crab meat. All right, I'm gonna put this away. Take off the gloves. And we're at 460 now. Let's get these into the oven. So I just got them into the oven at 460 degrees, and I'm gonna go around 20 minutes, but I'm gonna check them around 17 minutes. Wait until they're about golden brown on top, and they're guaranteed to be perfect if you're using a silicone mat. I'm just saying, get a silicone mat, Amazon.com, go check it out. And then, yeah, I'll get back to you when these are done. All right, so I just checked the crab cakes at about 17 minutes, so we got 3 minutes left. I think they could use a little more golden brown on there, but what I want to show you guys right here is this is the sauce that I'm going to be using. All right. It is Louisiana like fish fry products remoulade sauce. All right. This is what I use. You can buy it at any store that you want. I'm sure it's out there at Walmart, Kroger, Meijer, Giant Eagle, Aldi, whatever you want. You know what I mean? So, 2 minutes left on this. I'll get right back with you. All right. I guess the timer just went off. Stop. All right. Let's pull these things out. Let's see what's going on. Oh, yeah. There we go. Looking good. Let's feel the texture. Feels good. I'm going to let them rest a little bit. Yeah. They're not sticking. I'm going to let them rest. They are golden brown. They're perfect. Remember, the sauce goes on there. I'm going to wait for these to cool down, plate them up, then I'll get right back with you guys. You asked me to do it. Here's your freaking crab cakes. I have completed the crab cakes. Here they are. Looking good. Got the sauce. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.